Hello guys, this video is about trying to test this Mr. Plumber if it is really effective on unclogging the drain pipe. So our washer drain pipe here, it's clogged, I believe, because the water when it drains, it flows on the floor last night. Here's a bucket and some rug. So we're gonna pour this one half into that drain and wait for 50 minutes, then flush with hot water, and we'll see if this really works. Okay, this is a $1 Mr. Plumber drain opener, $1.06 from Walmart. So let's pour it direct. It says half bottle. We're gonna pour it more. It's more than a half bottle. Then we're gonna pour after 50 minutes, but I make it double, I make it 30 minutes. Then we're gonna pour this hot water direct to the drain. Now resume washing. We'll see if the drains already unclogged by the Mr. Plumber, the $1 drain opener. Start. Looks the drains going on well. No more overflowing, guys. So the Mr. Plumber is effective. It really works to unclog the drain.